name is Cliff. Welcome to KAFO. Here is our headquarters located in Taichung, Taiwan. And our plant has 42,000 square meters. And it mainly have 3 different plants. Alright guys, I'd like to show you this is our plant mainly for production line for the vertical machining center. Let's have a look.
Okay, hello guys. Today we're going to do this production line for our vertical machining centers. Okay, this building, the maximum capacity we can produce 50 machines per month. 50 machines. Okay, so you can see now we have 4 production lines. So we'll be identified for each size of machines. So we have one line for linear machining centers, one line for the box guideway, the other one for the medium size and bigger one.
Okay guys, this production line you can see is our boxway machine production line, and on my left hand side is a vertical machining center boxway. The model name is a VMC 1688, and we can produce around 10 sets every month. And this side you can see we have vertical machining center VMC 126A and B type. A type and B type means PD40 and PD50 spindle taper. Okay, yes, this is VMC 1688 for base plate. And you can see we have a big boxway guide, and the machine base size is similar like our sub base. So you need to remove the X and Y-axis motion. You can provide the more suitable, stable, and the more heavy capacity machining performance. I will introduce our scrapping area. Hey guys, this area is which we make scrappy, and you can see we have a very professional, precisely specialist who can make a very precise scrappy technique job here. This is a manual of VMC 1688. You can see the whole block is one piece structure, and this is a contact surface with a boxway guideway, and the material is a spacious smooth taproom. This is a KAFO technology. Okay, now already have many manufacturers that didn't use a scrappy in this size. Some others you just use the grinding. After that, they just combine together. Okay. And also you can see the spindle module structure of the ZFS with boxway. We also will scrapping this surface contact with a box whistle. This area is which we produce the vertical machine center with the boxway, but it's middle size like VMC 1730 in this area. And this production line will produce middle size vertical machine center. Linear guideway with roller type like CV14, CV16 and others. production line, we produce a small vertical machine center with a 4-type linear guide weight like CV7 and SV1000. You can see every machine after we produce that, we have a standard quality check procedure. We will check spindle, machine running, ignition system, and computer check. And the running time is at least 72 hours. After that, we can deliver this machine. Okay, guys, the last one is our Baxway Vertical Machine Center production line. This area in my right hand side, you can see is VMC 1688 production line. Max, we can put together at one time at least 5 sets this side and 5 sets on that side. Also, the Vertical Machine Center VMC 116A, 116B with Baxway. Now there is our spindle assembly area. Okay, let's get inside. Okay, you can see the KAFO, we produce our own spindle by ourselves. We produce BD50, BD40 with gear head spindle, with director head spindle, also some spare type spindle. And we assemble our own production here with bearing from NSK or FAG, also a very famous supplier of the worldwide. Guys, I would like to introduce this is our CNN measurement area. Let's get inside to check what equipment we have. Okay, that's it. First, we have a big CMM machine which we can check the every machining part we get from our supplier, also our own. Okay, our machining department will make this part by our own self. After that, we will send to CMM check, measurement check, and if we pass the task, okay, we will send to our assembly room to assembly the spindle here and blah blah blah. If you cannot pass the measurement test, we will send back to our supplier or our machine department to make a supervised finish and then send to again. This is another CMM machine, Kaplan size. It's more high accuracy. Also to check some more technical and high precision parts from our supplier. Okay, and then this device is Runny's measurement precision device. Okay, which we make make an arrangement of the spindle housing here. Okay, this is our own balance check device. Okay, we will check every gear, spindle, and spindle motor also by our own. Okay, this area is spindle running test area. Let's show me. Okay, we produce our own every spindle. After that, we will send here for running test. Let me show you how to test. Okay, we use this special device. Okay, we will run every spindle here before we install this spindle into the housing. Okay, we will check the, for example, we check the 1000 RPM for running maybe 30 minutes. Then we check the temperature, it's normal or not. Then 20,000, 2,000, 3,000, like that. If cannot pass the standard test process, we will send back to our spindle assembly department. Maybe they will have to change some bearing or some part to check where is the problem, and that spindle increase the temperature. Now you can see this mark is which will make a balance. So every spindle will have different mark. Okay, this area is our head assembly area. Let me show you that. Okay, you can see the spindle module after CMM. Then you will send to here. The spindle will also send to here in past the running process. So we will start to assembly the gearbox, the gear, spindle into the spindle module. Then after that we will make a run out test to check is there any oil leakage or some issues. Also, after KAFO made automatic attach head here. Then you can see this one is 90 degree and this one is universal. Okay, we produce parts by our own self, and then we assemble it here. Okay, after here, then we'll send to our online test machine to make a testing for the head before install to the machine, which is ordered by client. This one is already finished. After that, I send maybe afternoon we will send back to our production line to install to the. Now you can see this is 1 degree division part. It's very precisely processed for this part. This machine is which we test the automatic attach head. After they finish the assembly, we will send here to check the head function is normally and the process is normally accuracy. Also everything is fine. They will send to our production line to install to the machine which is ordered by our client. Yeah, let me show you our electrical assembly department. Okay, here is our electrical cabinet assembly department. Let me show you that. You can see that every plant, every component is assembled by our own self, not from outside supplier. Even the every cables, every components, we assembled by ourselves. Let me show you how do we make the cable. Okay, you can see this is a whole set for one machine. The cables total here. This is a Oriental 1 meter machine. All right. Let me show you how we make the cables. Okay, you can see we have two ladies. They make the cable by our own self. Okay, this is a cabinet we produce by ourselves. We assemble the whole cables here, drivers, amplifiers, and transformer. And normally we have many final control stock in our company. So if any client order the machine with a final controller, we can deliver with a very short time. That's logistic department. Okay, so there's our quality check department, manufacturing department, and our purchase department. So everybody is quite busy. So let's see another plant. Okay, here is our application department, and we provide a whole process service for our client, which we can make a test cutting and analyze the workpiece, production line, and so on. And then we also have a whole set tooling system and some fixture. We also design here, make a test here, and we can show you that every engineer, they have their own computer. We can provide the very professional analyzer for the KAFO software. Also, we can training for our clients and so on. Okay, let's show you another plant which make a more big size double column machine center. Let's go. Okay guys, this plant is which we make a big double column machine center, and we can produce around 25 cents per month in this plant. And this area also includes our machining department in this plant. Normally we produce 2 meter plus 1.2 meter, tier 5 meter plus 4 meter. And any other more big size, for example 6 meter, 8 meter or 10 meter, we produce in another plant. We will show you later. Here you can see as many workpiece here is which we make testing, cutting for any machine before delivery. Also you can see some components is come from our client. We ask to make this job before machine delivery. So you can see we have made a heavy cutting and a super fine finish. Also some boring machinery. Is our automatically attached head models. This one is a 4 meter plus 2.7 meter with automatically attached head system. let's go to our machining department to show you what equipment we have to make our own parts. Let me show you that. This is one of our machining department equipment. It's a Oriental boring machine from OKK. And equipment is Oriental machining center from OKK, Japan, and which we make a spindle matcher for vertical machine center. Okay, this area is you can see is a big double column machine center from Mitsubishi, which we make our own base plate and growth reel column for our own parts. Another three equipment is Oriental machine center, which make our gearbox for double column machine center, also for vertical machine center. So one comes from KAFO, our own self, and another two is from Untitled Chapter. Okay, let me show you the last plant, which will make the more big size double column, also big size Oriental machine center. Okay, the last plant, which will make the more than 6 meter double column machine center, also the big Oriental machine center. Is this 800 plus 800 or 1 meter plus 1 meter. Okay, the last one is our workshop. This one is our gantry type 5-axis double column machine center. This caser, 2-axis simultaneous in the air. With height and high control, and then we make some special tests for our client, also for our own. Okay, the biggest one is Mitsubishi double column machine center. 10-meter plus 3.5 meters with the 4 attached automatic heads. Which we make our own base bed for 6 meter or we make the base bed our own, the column, any others our own stuff. Small bench bed, the vertical machine center. This is also, another one is a big bench bed for double color machine center.
Hello guys, after seeing our production line, now I'm going to show you a little bit about staff, administrations, and the people we working in the center core of KAFO company. Let's go. So here you can see it's our main lobby for the guests. Here you can see that on the ground floor, there's our sales department. So we have 25 sales staff who's working on the market, commercials with KAFO. And the second floor we have the R&D departments. We have about 45 mechanical designers, and the advantage that we about 20% out of them they are enabled to create and develop a new product, new machine equipments. And the third floor we have administrations, which is have the service departments 24/7 to help the customer, help the operator to solve all kind of technical questions, solutions, and also the financial department and management. So here is the center core, I would say, is where we bring the KAFO brand out into the worldwide. Thank you. Okay, everybody, we hope you enjoy our tour today. So we take a little effort to make you guys to know what we are doing, what KAFO doing, what's our activity in the machine tool business. We are very focused on the CNC machining centers manufacturing. Hope you guys have a good trust and keep following us. Thank you.